So finally it is happening. I'm going for a month-long trip to Himachal Pradesh starting on 1st of April. So here is the packing video for you guys to see what all things I'm including, what all things are needed, not needed, but I'm carrying anyway. So we have 2 backpacks for me and my boyfriend. He has the bigger one. I don't know how many liters are these for, but whatever I have, I'm gonna try and fit into these 2 things. So let's start with the smaller pouches, the essential things like and then we go to the medical pouch. Now I've taken not so many electronic items. I try to avoid it. I only have my camera handling stick, screws for it, a power bank, phone chargers, Bluetooth speaker charger, iPad, and iPhone and iPad charger is the same, and a mic setup. So all of this will be kept in one bag and then into another. Also I have here extra bags, some towels that I'll keep handy, 2 ponchos and a headlight, so if you are trekking somewhere that will be handy, and also these 2 really unbreakable plastic bottles which are really hard, and this one thermos with a cup attached to it. So if on the go I want to drink coffee, 1 cup is enough. And a lunch box which is airtight, which has a tiny compartment in it, 2 forks, 2 spoons, and some elastics, and what do you call it, the thing that you close the bag with when you're not using it, those clutches, and obviously our trekking shoes. Now let's go for the clothing section. I'm taking 1 winter cap, 1 sun cap and some sunglasses, 1 scarf, gloves, socks, and 1 puffy jacket. He's also taking the same. He has a better beanie actually. Sunglasses, 2 jackets he is taking. So 1 we carried 1 light jacket and 1 heavy jacket, because some places we'll be wearing many layers, and if we are hiking it will get hot, so we want a lighter jacket, and 1 puffier jacket which will keep us warm actually. So these 2 variations we took, and approximately 4 sets of clothing we have taken. So 4 pants, 4 tops, mostly extra innerwears, 5 to 6 sets of innerwears, and a towel and thermals as well. And all of this we are going to fit into 1 medium sized bag, vacuum bag, and making sure that I need to keep a crease in between, so I can fold this back like this and it can go easily into my backpack. This thing inside, really? Oh. Okay, this is yeah. So this will go directly into the backpack, and it will have more space around it to fit another objects. So we did the same packing with the blanket as well. We have a double blanket which we also made into a papad, and his clothes as well. Ooh, they're heavy. His clothes as well. So now we are going to start packing it into the bag finally. these 2 bags. The weights I haven't checked yet, but I'll add it in the description. And that's all we need for 1 month long journey. I hope that we haven't forgotten. Did we forget something?
No.
Okay, good. So let's see how it goes. It's our first time going backpacking like this, and yeah, if you have any questions you can add it in the comment section. If I have forgotten about some details, I'll add it into description box. And I'm very excited to start my journey. We are starting on 31st and I'll be vlogging throughout the trip, so hope that you guys will be there to see it all. If you haven't subscribed or liked or shared, please do that. It will mean a lot. It's a good support. So yeah, thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.